Alright, so back here we are here for conditional statement, and conditional statement is actually very simple. With Python, we can say if 10 is lesser than 20, so we want it to print specifically 10 is lesser than 20, and else otherwise we want it to print, oh no, 10 is not lesser than 20 over there. So that is how we do it. So if you run this program, that's the basics of conditional statement. We try to run it. You can see say 10 is like lesser than 20, because this is actually true. Just in case, what if we want to do some stuff like, so, okay, if we if argument 1, so if argument 1 is greater than argument, it's actually greater than argument value 2, so we want it to print um we wanted to print the argument whatsoever is in argument 1, so is greater than whatsoever is in argument value 2. So we want to do something like say else if, so just like that, else if argument value 2 is greater than argument value 1, so we want to say print, let me just copy this information because I don't want the time to be running out. Alright, so argument value 2 is greater than argument value 1, so then finally we want to do else, okay, print, okay, they are both equal. Alright, so let's run our program real quick. Sorry, there is no, I'm putting range. What's the say argument value 1, argument value 2, list out of range. So we need to put, so let's say argument value 1 have 110, value 2 have 20. You can see it say 20 is greater than 10, and let's change that this is 30 and this is 10, and so say 30 is greater than 10, and if you put 10 10, so it say they are both equal. So that is how we play with conditional statements within Python. Sorry, that's my alarm telling me I'm running out of time. All right, so what is how we probably deal with if else statement within Python. So our next topic is functions. So we see how we can do with functional string processing in Python. All right, see you in the next tutorial.